Hi, this is Luke for Production Expert, and this is audio tracks versus layers for processing and mixing. So, here I have 3 conventional audio tracks in a conventional DAW, and those sound like this. Now, at the moment, all 3 audio tracks are being summed into a common signal path or a common summing point. Now, if I apply an audio plugin to one of these tracks, it's not going to affect the others. But if I do want to affect more than one track, then I just create a bus or an aux input and apply the processing across that. So mine, I'll just add a bus track, select those, go like that. Then just add an insert. And as you can hear, the piano is not affected by this processing, simply because that's going straight to the main output, whereas my drums and my bass are going through the bus, which has this EQ across it. Now, Triumph 3 from Zynaptiq uses a completely different way of working to combine tracks together, and it uses layers. Now, these are combined sequentially using blend modes. So if I just create 3 new layers and bring in some audio. Okay, so I'll have my drums as layer 1, my bass as layer 2, and my piano as layer 3. Okay, let's hear those together. And as you can see, the waveforms are superimposed on top of one another because they are happening sequentially in layers. And in Triumph 3, if I want to reduce the level of something, I can just open this pop-up and just pull down the level like so. Maybe just pull the bass down a little bit as well. Now, because we're blending layers together, if I try and use a blend mode on layer 1, that will be greyed out simply because I can't blend one layer with itself. However, if I go down to the next layer and call up a blend mode, just mix between these two. So I'm morphing my drums and my bass together at the moment. However, when I bring layer 2 down to the bottom, it means that all the layers above it are affected by its blend mode. So you can hear that everything is being affected now. And as soon as I take layer 2 back in between 1 and 3 where it was, again, it's not affecting the piano. So I can still do everything else I need to do, such as mute or automation or adding plugins. But for sound design, this is a much more intuitive and creative way to get new sounds. Head over to the Production Experts blog to find out more about audio layers and to read our full article.